Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel, and this video is about how, what and from where to study electrotherapy for first year of BPT. And in this video I'll be clearing all your doubts regarding the syllabus, which books to use as textbooks, reference book and everything. So let us begin the video. So this is the syllabus for MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, for first year of electrotherapy for the batch of 2024 and further, which is the competency based batch. So firstly you will have basic physics, in which you'll study about the basic physical components used in electrotherapy, which will be condenser, main supply, current, electricity, electromagnetic induction. Basically it includes all the basics part which you have studied in 11th and 12th class. It is just the brushing up and little bit therapeutic orientation of those kind of things. Then you'll study about shock. So the shock is also a very important question in universities. So you'll study about definition of shocks, type of shocks, and then what are the physiological effects of shock, and what should be the things done to avoid shock conditions in the clinic and all. So basic physics part you'll get basic physics part you'll find it in any book. So basic books are good for basic physics. Then shock also you'll find in most of the books. Then for pain, so this part of pain, which is the unit of pain, so basically you will study uh, about the pain gate theory. And mainly pain is taught along with tense in your colleges. So and also in books tense and pain is given in a single topic, so you can get it wherever tense and pain is available. Then you have low frequency currents, which includes electrical muscle stimulator, Faraday currents, galvanic currents, and TENS. So here for the cellular biophysics, I would recommend that you can use your physiology textbooks only, because finding cellular biophysics in normal regular usage of electrotherapy books is little bit difficult, but you can find it in one book. I'll mention it in further parts. Then regarding the diagnostic electrical muscle stimulator, you don't have much part of it in any sort of textbooks, but mainly in this year you have to do focus on the testing part, and it also includes Faraday and galvanic current. So Faraday currents, again, you can find it in any book. Galvanic current same, but I would recommend that follow a book which clearly distinguishes between Faraday, galvanic, and you have basic ideas regarding what type of currents are and what are their subdivisions. Then comes the tens. So tens also, the five types, you'll get it in any book, but make sure that for tens all sort of graphs are available. Then in medium frequency currents you have IFT, interferential therapy. So here also you have to do the testing and basically the physiological effects and application. Then you have SWD in high frequency currents. So here also you have to draw the circuit diagrams. I mean, you have to learn it. Then block diagram, panel diagram also, type of valves. So this valves part you'll learn in basic physics also. Then you have ultrasound. So ultrasound, this is the syllabus. So ultrasound, I feel that it is the most wide topic in your first year, but in this syllabus they haven't mentioned anything about the application part. But I would recommend you that you can study about the application part, as in university they ask you application part for long cases, but here they have given only testing in the syllabus. So this is a confusion which the students face, but I would recommend you to study the applications also. Then comes the superficial thermal agents. So in superficial thermal agents you have home remedies, paraffin wax, whirlpool, contrast bath, HCP, and cryotherapy. So this is the syllabus regarding the superficial thermal agents, again mainly focused on the application part. Then comes the actinotherapy, which is mainly focused on the radiation, which includes ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation, and laser. So you'll easily find UVR and IR uh, for the practical purpose in most of the colleges, but for laser I doubt if many or most of the colleges have the laser apparatus for the testing. So you can consider that for testing part UVR and IR will be there. And see, very less books includes the testing part, so you have to learn the testing parts from your colleges only. Or if you want me to give you the checklists, so now the formatives, in your formative exams you have to follow a basic checklist, and for each step they allot you a mark. So for each step they give you mark, and you have to achieve minimum 7 out of 10 while testing a modality, and you'll be passed. So if you want such kind of videos which includes checklist of testing, then comment in the comment section, I'll surely make the video. So regarding the UVR, they have mentioned process of production of UVR, types of UVR lamp, and testing of UVR machine. But I'll recommend that you can if you have time, then you can study physiological and therapeutic effects also. It will benefit you in second year. Same for IR and IR types of lamp. Here the types of lamps are very less, two types only. Here I guess it is 3 to 4 types. Then again laser. So laser basic principles, properties, types, and testing of the laser machine. So basic principles again you have to learn it. Properties again. Types, so laser you have I guess 3 to 4 types of laser: solid, liquid, gaseous, and semiconductor. Then comes the biofeedback. So biofeedback is a topic which is ignored by students, but I would surely recommend that don't ignore biofeedback, as biofeedback can come as a 15 marker question, and it is a really very scoring topic. And for biofeedback, if you want to study it properly, you should know the basic concepts regarding the biofeedback. And I know most of the colleges, they don't teach biofeedback properly. They keep it for the last topic in the syllabus. But why wait for the college to complete the syllabus? You can complete it side by side along with other topics also. So I have also made a detailed video which is of 20 minutes, and I have explained biofeedback along with my notes very clearly in a easy way, which will surely help you achieve good marks if you get that question in your university paper. So now I'll be showing books, and I'll be mentioning my opinions about how is that book and what sort of topics it contain, and whether you should buy it or not. So see, I have mentioned 6 books here. This book is not a textbook nor a reference book. So firstly, let us begin from Clayton's. So Clayton's is the basic book which is recommended by all the professors, all the seniors, and yes, it is a good book. But for all the topics, no. It is good for basic physics. It is good for actinotherapy. But for other topics such as low frequency current and high frequency currents, which includes SWD and ultrasound, I would recommend that you should follow more books other than Clayton. Got it? So yes, that is Clayton. So Clayton is similar to Dana Gardiner of kinesiotherapy. Then comes electrotherapy explained, which is generally called as Low and Read. So see, this book is a book in which you'll get most authentic information, but for first year that information becomes too heavy to understand, and also the language is a little tricky to understand. So for the topics such as biophysics or others, you can use Low and Read. But I won't recommend to buy the book in hard copy, as it is very expensive. I guess it's above 1,000 rupees. So if you can use it in soft copy or in PDFs format, you can use electrotherapy explained, which is also known as Low and Read. Then is Michael Cameron. So in my first year, my professor suggested me to use Michael Cameron for mainly the therapeutic superficial therapeutic agents, which includes paraffin wax bath, whirlpool, contrast bath, HCP, and cryotherapy. So basically Cameron is a book in which they teach you the application part in a good depth, and also they have included pictures such as ice packs or HCPs, so it's really very helpful. Then comes Nanda, BK Nanda. See, BK Nanda is also a very good book, and if you want to buy any book, I would suggest that you can buy BK Nanda or Jagmohan Singh. So it depends on which language you are suitable in, but as per my opinion, BK Nanda includes all the information of your first year. So if you're purchasing BK Nanda, which is only a single book, you're done. You don't have to buy any other book. So BK Nanda is also very good book. It includes mostly all topics, covers all the physiological, therapeutic effects, definitions, laws, diagrams, graphs, all the things. Then is Jagmohan Singh. So Jagmohan Singh is also a good book, but some parts I feel that for actinotherapy the information is little less in Jagmohan Singh. So yes, I would recommend that please go through the books in PDF format first before buying it, or check it in your college library. See, this book, which is electrotherapy with model answers, so basically the book is in the form of questions plus answers. So I mainly used this in my first year because, see, when you are in first year, this is your first time you'll be giving university exams, and you don't have any idea about how to write in a answer sheet of MUHs, or how much content to present in a 3 marker, in a 7 marker question, in a long answer of 15 marker. So this is the book which have distributed all the chapters in question answer format in 3, 7 and 15 marker. So it is really of a very good help, and if you want you can purchase this book is not very expensive, but I feel that a model answer lookout is very very useful since the start of the year if you use it. So yes, this was my recommendation of books, and if you have any difficulties or doubts regarding electrotherapy or any other subject of physiotherapy, do let me know down in the comments. I'll surely try to reply your doubts and clear it. Our next video will be about how, what, and from where to study kinesiotherapy for first BPT. Yes, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.